Good day, my name is Jacques Prinsloo. I'm from South Africa. I'm 49 years old and love farming. My experience is in dairy farming, cattle farming, basically what you do in dairy farming. Milk the cows, look at the condition of the cows, if they are not sick and stuff like that, the condition of the udder, the whole milking process, the AI of cows, the selection of semen that you use, different semen for different cows to enhance the productivity, but also the quality of the next calf that is born. Sheep farming, same, vaccination, dosing, basically the whole production of the herd, the quality, the health of the herd as well as in the cattle. I can drive tractors. I used to drive the Landini 14500, the 8830 if I'm not mistaken, or both were four-wheel drives. Massey Ferguson 399 SE four-wheel drive, old Dietz 10006 4x2 tractor, cutting lucerne, raking lucerne, baling, driving trucks. I've got a Code 10 license. That is what I can do. Can do maintenance on the vehicles, like what you call it, draining the oil, putting new filters in, greasing where the grease nipples are, checking that the grease nipples are not cloth, so that the grease can go through, and so that the component get the necessary grease. And overall maintenance on vehicles, that is what I can do. Do fencing. I've got experience in fencing. So basically farm working in whole, this is what I can do. Operating of machinery, TLB, Bobcat, skid steer, excavator. I think I've got a broad spectrum of knowledge of how to operate things. I used to do planting of crops, and also using the discs, one ways, stuff like that. That is what I can do.